Question 6, equations in slope-intercept and standard form. First thing you're going to notice on this problem is that in part A, the second one, I put an asterisk on your guys' paper. That's because you won't actually have to do this on the real air test, but it is on this test just to see kind of the separation between accelerated and advanced. So you're not going to lose any points if you don't get that one right, so just relax. All right, so it says consider line AB as shown in the graph. So we've got a nice positive sloped linear equation here. It says determine the equation in slope-intercept form that defines line AB. So what I'm going to need for this is I'm going to need to get the y-intercept, and for that I'm just kind of going to darken up my y-axis here because it's not super easy to see. But then once I have that, it's pretty easy to tell that my line crosses my y-axis at +3. So that means in my form y equals mx plus b, that the b part of it is going to be +3. So for the rest, I just need to get a slope that'll go in front of my x. To do that, I just need to get 2 perfect points, and I've got a lot of choices here. But what you're going to realize is that every time it goes up 1, it goes over 1. So up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, that means the slope's just 1. So either 1x or just x plus 3 is going to be my slope-intercept form for this. So down here, I am going to write y equals x plus 3. It's okay if you have the 1 right here. That's fine. The second part of this, the kind of extra, is determine the equation in standard form that defines line AB. And standard form is in the form ax plus by equals c. And that's the one that we actually don't like. We don't use it very often. Now, in part B, it's going to ask to explain how I did it to show my work. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start here with the slope-intercept form that I already had. And basically what it wants me to do is get my x and y on the same side of my equation. So that's all I need to do here. So all I'm going to do is draw my line. I'm going to subtract x from both sides. You can't take an x away from a y, but what you end up with is y minus x equals 3. And that's in slope, that's no longer in slope-intercept form, that's in standard form. So y minus x equals 3. If it really bothers you, you could change it to -x plus y equals 3, but that's the exact same thing.